Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Look at this question, how to solve these kind of question with the help of quadratic formula. So 2x square plus 3x negative 2 is equal to 0. First of all, compare it with the general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this ax square, it means a is equal to 2 coefficient of x square and b is equal to coefficient of x, that is equal to 3, and c is negative 2. So we have quadratic formula negative b plus minus b square negative 4ac divided by 2a, that is equal to x. So this is formula. Now input these values in formula. So negative b means negative 3 plus minus square root 3 square negative 4 into 2 into negative 2 divided by 2 into 2 means a, that is equal to x. So insert the values in formula. Now simplify. Negative 3 plus minus 9, square of 3 is 9, negative plus 4 to the 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 divided by 4. So this is the simple value. Now negative 3 plus minus 25 divided by 4. Now negative 3 plus minus square root of 25 is 5 over 4. So this is now x is equal to negative 3 plus 5 divided by 4. The other x is negative 3 negative 5 over 4. So x is equal to negative 3 plus 5 is negative 2 divided by 4. So the answer of this x is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, negative 1 over 2. The second value of x is negative 8 from this, and this is 4. Okay, so this is plus 1 over 2. This is negative 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are, this is negative 2. So the x values are 1 over 2 or negative 2. So let's look which value will work. Put the values in equation. So equation is 2 into negative 2 square plus 3 into negative 2, negative 2 is equal to 0. Here I put x is equal to negative 2 in the equation. So 2 2s are 4, 2 into 4, this is 3 2s are 6, negative 6, negative 2 is equal to 0. So this is 8, this is negative 8, this is equal to 0. So this value will work. Okay, and the value of x is negative 2. We have a question, 6x square negative 17x plus 12, solve it by quadratic formula. So compare this with general equation of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the coefficient of x square is 6, a value is 6 and the b value is negative 17 and the c is 12. Quadratic formula is negative b plus minus square root b square negative 4ac divided by 2a equal to x. So insert values of this equation in quadratic formula. So we have negative b means negative 17 over here, plus minus square of negative 17, okay, negative 4, a's value is 6 and c's value is 12. Okay, now 2 into a means 6, that is equal to x. This is plus 17, negative negative plus, plus minus square root of 17 is 289, negative 4, 4 multiplies 6, 4 multiplies 6 24, and 24 will multiply with 12, 12 fours are 8, okay, 12 twos are 26, 24 plus 28 means 12 fours are 8, 4 carries, 12 twos are 24 plus 4 is 288, okay, 288 over 12. Now x is equal to 17 plus minus square root of 1, 289 negative 288, this is over 12, okay. Now after that x is equal to 17 plus minus 1 over 12. Oh, here we have two value of x, that is equal to, we have two values of x. This is x is equal to 17 plus 1 over 12. The second value is x is equal to 17 negative 1 divided by 12. Now solve these. This is 18, this is 12. Now divide on 3. 3 fours are 3 6 are, okay, again 2 2s are 2 3s are, 3 over 2, one answer of x. The second is 16 over 12, that is equal to 4 3s are 4 4s are, that is equal to 4 over 3. So these are the answers of x. So these are two answers of x. One is 3 over 2, the second is 4 over 3. So these are two answers of x, and this is the finish of question. So x values, x is equal to 3 over 2 and 4 over 3. So this is the answer, final answer of this equation. Hope so you got the idea. If you still have any confusion, any problem, you can comment under the video. And thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.